Final thing here, final tool to really help you make that super confident offer that I want to dig into here for you, is we do have MLS Comps inside Deal Machine too. And so when you click on a property, I'd highly recommend clicking on that Comps button as well. And you can come in here and, if you click on the filter comps on this left-hand side, this is where you can adjust all of the data. I always look at the settings first. So I'd recommend clicking into these settings. And, I select MLS data is always going to be more up to date than county data. Date range within 6 months. I focus on 15%. I focus on 15-year build. So this is relatively the same size, relatively the same year built. And then within half a mile is great. It's a good geographic focus here. Now we have all of this to be able to come in here. And I've got 13 comps. There's a lot of activity going on, in this area. So if I want to be able to get even more specific and say, only show me properties that are in between, these north and south, is that Gothi and I'm not sure what street that is, right off Hampton right there. But if I want to say, show me only the properties within, these individual north and south streets, I can use my draw tool, highlight that. And now, great, I've got a really up-to-date estimated value based on the dollar per square foot average of these other properties that are comparable and sold recently. So that entire process is a great way just to get to understand what is my property that I'm going to make an offer on. What is it worth when it's all fixed up, when it is ready for retail, when it is on the market, the ARV, after repair value. Here's how you can come to that number pretty quickly and easily using our Deal Machine comping system right there. So that is something in a nutshell. Wanted to be able to cover all of that for you, make you really confident in at least knowing what that ARV is, work backwards from there on what your offer is going to be, your max sellable offer. But all of those tools can make you more confident, can help you close deals, can help you just be ready to have that conversation with the seller when it comes to pricing. You've got data to help you, make an accurate, great offer there.